What is up, guys? July 26th. Just got this one. Almost 7 p.m. It's like 72 degrees about. Just got this guy on the blue reel. Got him on the jig with the Strike King trailer. Like the Menace. I'm gonna get a quick weight on him. Super chunky and fat. As soon as the jig started falling, he crushed it. There we go, guys. 1 pound, 6 ounces. What is up, guys? So somebody else caught this fish and their pole got drug in. Just caught somebody else's pole right there. Little baby catfish, drug it in, and I caught it on my bait, the line. Oh, something big just jumped right there. (7:30) August 9th, guys. Finally got one. Like 77 degrees maybe. Oh, just a little one, but I've been cranking all day and I haven't caught a fish out of here in a while. Hopefully I can get him without getting. He smoked the Little John 50, I think, shallow diver. Oh, that's all I know is that's the color. Man, finally caught a fish and it felt good. Smack this crankbait, just throw it right out there, guys. 7:30 p.m. Like I said, about 77 degrees, August 9th. On the Little John Spro crankbait. Little one on the crankbait, guys. Nice little guy, crushed the crank. Haven't caught one out of here in a little while, actually, guys. It's been pressured and pressured. These bass get a lot of pressure. Nice little baby guy. They'll crush the crank. He won't let go of my finger. Come on, dude. There he goes. Nice little baby. Hell yeah, guys. Finally started getting darker. Got one on the Abu. Garcia was about to go home. Second one of the day, guys, right here by this dock. Just a long and skinny little guy. Nice long skinny one on the crankbait, guys. Hell yeah. Just got him right over there. Check this out, guys. Came back out here 9:36. This guy just choked the Spro crank. Freaking just threw it up on the bank. August 9th, 70 degrees, guys. Almost 10 p.m. This guy freaking choked the crank. Hopefully he don't hook me. Ooh, he almost hooked me. Chill out. He's hooked with both hooks, so I ain't worried about it. Dude, freaking got him. Biggin'. I'm talking about a fucking biggin' on the crank, guys. Big ol' skinny one. Spro crank. Choked it sideways in his mouth. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Ounce shy of a 3-pounder. 215. I thought she was bigger, but she just fought. Super good. Still a stud though. Still a stud, and she slammed it. Probably 18, 19, maybe even 20 inches. I don't know. You guys tell me. Freaking tub. No, she's probably only 18 inches or so. Dude, she's a tub. Oh, there she goes. Did not take long. Wow. One little swish and she's gone. 3-pounder, guys. Hell yeah, let's go. Was just about to go home. I was just threw this baby up shell, cranking.